Some days, pretending everything's fine takes more energy than fixing it. You've smiled through deadlines, heartbreaks, and people who don't text back. You've been the strong one so long you forgot that strong people need a soft landing too. So take 5 minutes. Sit down. Now breathe like we're doing it together. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, like blowing out candles. 1, 2, 3. Let these affirmations remind you that being human is enough. I'm allowed to be a work in progress with Wi-Fi issues. I've handled worse, and worse didn't win. Rest is not a reward, it's maintenance. I release the need to look okay before I am okay. I am not lazy, I'm recalibrating. I've survived every version of I can't do this so far. I trust that the right people already like the real me. I am not behind. I'm just on a longer route with better scenery. I choose progress over performance. I don't owe anyone an explanation for healing slow. I am enough, even when my motivation isn't. I forgive myself for all the things I didn't know before I knew them. I don't chase peace. I build it quietly. I am allowed to want more and rest more. I trust that the small stuff I do matters. I am not competing. I'm unfolding. I let go of needing every day to be productive. I'm learning that peace doesn't always look exciting. I am grateful for my own resilience, even when it's inconvenient. I am allowed to change without apologizing for who I was. I honor my effort, not just my results. I attract calm conversations and quiet victories. I no longer try to fix everything I didn't break. I am still becoming someone I'll be proud of. I'm enough for the life I'm living, not the one I imagine. You made it through another round of pretending and still showed up here. That counts. Keep walking, even when it's quiet and no one's clapping. And if tomorrow asks you to pretend again, just remember, you already know how to be real.